Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will going to talk about variables in Python. Okay, we can use variables to temporarily store the data in our computer memory, right? For example, we can store a price of the product or someone's name, either email, either age, and so on. Let me show you to declare a variable called age, assign, let's say 20. Now we are going to print age. Okay, see, with this piece of code we are going to storing number 20 somewhere in our computer memory, right? And we can also attaching this age as a labeled for that memory locations, right? Now we can read the value at the memory locations and print on the terminal. Okay, this is the task. Okay, let me run this program. Okay, see our output is visible here. We can also modify or update. We can also change the value of variable. For example, line 2, again I will assign, set it to 30. Okay, let's run our program and see what happened. Okay, see, whenever we are going to run our program, the Python interpreter starts executing our program from top to bottom. So this is the beauty of Python. First it will go this line, then it will go this line, and finally it will going to print. Okay, so this is how we are going to declare and use variables in Python. Okay, just erase it. And let's look at few more examples. Am I going to declare another variable called price assigned, you can set it to 19.77. okay, so we can use as a decimal number or whole number. Okay, so this is called boolean. And one more will be there, the one more variable will be there, that is name, or you can say first first underscore name, set it to string, you can string Sudhakar. Okay, whenever we are going to use multiple words as a variable, we always you can use underscore here, because it will makes our code much readable. So that's the reason we are going to use underscore here. Okay, I once again repeated that whenever you people are going to use multiple words as a variables, we must and should use the underscore here, because our code will much readable, it is easily executable. So that's the reason we are going to use underscore here. Okay, this is the string type. Okay, one more type will be there. We have a special type of value called a boolean values, which can be a true or false, that is like yes or no in English. Let me show you. So am I going to declare another variable called is online online assign false. And one more thing also, you people please aware about this one, because Python is a case sensitive language. So that's the reason true and false are the keywords. We must and should be use capital F here, otherwise the code will showing some errors. So that's the reason I will use capital false here, capital F here. And you can use whether you are going to make it as a true, you can use capital true. Okay, so this is how we are going to declare and you use the variables in Python. Okay, this is the string integer type, this is the floating type, this is the string type, this is the boolean value, whether it is true or false or yes or no in English. So this is how we are going to declare and use variables in Python. Okay, I will stop here only, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.